Hello, we are Group 6. Today we are going to introduce the rapid antigen test. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we have a huge change in our daily life. In February and March, there was outbreak of COVID-19. Many citizens couldn't do the PCR test immediately for diagnosis of SARS-CoV-19. Also, the PCR results released super late as there were too many cases. So, a technique that is more effective and convenient is released. What is RAT? It is a technique that for detecting the presence or absence of the antigen directly. It is commonly used for testing COVID-19 virus. Before talking about how to use the RAT kit, let me ask you a question. Why do we need to adopt RAT for regular self-testing but not PCR, which has high accuracy? Okay, that's because RAT is really fast. We can know are we positive to SARS-CoV-19 within 15 to 20 minutes, although the accuracy is lower than PCR. Therefore, it is important for us to learn how to use the kits correctly in order to increase the results reliability. First thing first, remember to sanitize our hands before doing the test. Usually, there are 3 to 4 items in the testing kit. They are a swab, a testing card, and a sample treatment solution, and a sample treatment tube. Sometimes the treatment solution should be kept inside the tube. So, if the treatment solution is not kept in the tube, then we have to pour the solution into the tube before we do the test. But be careful, do not spill it out. If the solution is kept in the tube already, just simply tear the aluminum foil before doing the test. We can take out the swab first, but do not touch the soft part of the swab. A warning reminder, we may have a nosebleed during winter. If we have a nosebleed within 24 hours, please swab another nostril. Insert the swab into our nostril to around 12.5 centimeters. We may feel the resistance, which means it is deep enough. Rotate the swab on the nostril wall 5 times. We may repeat it on the another nostril wall as well. Afterwards, put the swab into the tube and break the nose so that only the soft part is kept in the tube. Then, close the cap. We may gently squeeze the bottom of the tube 10 times. Next, press the nozzle cap tightly to ensure there is no leakage of the solution. Simply insert the tube and squeeze it. Drop 2 to 3 droplets of the treated solution onto the sample hole. We can wait for 15 minutes to analyze the result. Finally, result analyze. If we look at the results, we should check the validity. First, look whether the checking mark is there or not. The checking mark should be a red line next to the letter C at the top of the test card. If there is no checking mark shown, it means the result is invalid and we need to do the test again. If yes, we can adopt this result. In the test card, if we can see the red line next to the letter T significantly, we are sorry to tell you that you are infected, as known as positive result. You may ask, what if the red line is not significant? It just slightly turned red. For this case, we suggest you to get a PCR test which is more accurate to tell you whether you are infected or not. If there is nothing next to T, congratulations! You are staying healthy, which means a negative result. Keep working hard on your personal hygiene. Now, we gain the basic knowledge about how to do a RAT. In the coming lecture, we will explain more about the principle behind the RAT. We are looking forward to seeing you in the classroom. See you!